Welcome to the channel. What is my favorite exchange? It's user-friendly, it's fun to use, and you can even earn some from taking quizzes. Let's jump in.
Do you want your video to go to the top of YouTube on search results? No matter what niche you're in, you spend time making your videos just like I have making this one right now. And the last thing you want is no one to ever see it. You want it to be at the top of YouTube, and that's where ytranker.net comes in. Our sponsor has an incredible algorithm that allows your YouTube video to be at the top of YouTube guaranteed. ytranker.net uses cutting-edge techniques to allow your video to increase all the way to the top of YouTube. Once your video climbs to the top, you're gonna see more views, you're gonna see more engagement, you're gonna see more leads if you're a business trying to find clients. But most importantly, the world is going to see the video that you've spent this long making. Now, I could not do what I do without them. Every single video I pour so much effort into, and they make sure it goes to the top. It's a winning machine. So if you wanna check them out, ytranker.net, go there now. Otherwise, let's get back to the video.
Hey everyone, so let me introduce you to one of my favorite exchanges. What is it called? You guessed it. This is none other than Coinbase. Now, why do I like this so much? Because it's easy to get started and it's easy to use. And when you're getting into crypto, it can be difficult. You hear so many different things. Bitcoin's going to $1 million. That new dog money is cool. Get into NFTs. This coin's big, that coin's big, Ethereum's this, and you just don't know what's going on. So the best way to figure it out is to find a user-friendly place to go. But where do you go? Everybody has a suggestion. If I were to make, it's Coinbase. Why? Because it's a central exchange. It's been around for a while, and it's something that I really like. You can get Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether. You can also buy and sell all your other favorite meme coins, and they even have trading tools. So if you are an advanced trader, it's open to that too. Zero trading fees, more rewards, and you can do more with your wallet and Coinbase. Check this out here. Your portfolio can even get up to $200 in crypto. It's really easy to get started. All you have to do is simply sign in or sign up, do a quick KYC, log in, and you're good to go. It doesn't get much simpler than that. So here you can sign in with Google, Apple, all that type of stuff. I have an account, so I just go ahead and hit continue. Now they make sure to keep this safe. So I have a little app on my phone, making sure that there's no problems. And I simply just open up my phone here with two-factor authentication. It'll ask me, am I trying to sign into Coinbase? And I hit yes. And then we're logged in. I don't think it can get much simpler than that. Now, once you're logged in, you can go ahead and start to buy crypto. Like if I want to buy Bitcoin, I just add a debit card right here, or I can add a bank, something like that, and then I'm good to go. You can also check out different assets right here, transactions. You can explore a little bit, see the top gainers, the top losers, what's going on. And you can do all this with a few clicks. So really user-friendly. All right, everyone, what is my favorite exchange? It is a little known thing called Coinbase. So you can see the graphical interface right here, but why Coinbase? Well, a lot of people are getting into crypto. A lot of people are new to crypto. So this is one thing that I really like, because you can get into crypto, you're going to need a central exchange. And especially when you get into crypto, or if you're looking at crypto, you need to get crypto, and also businesses can get in here and stake and do all that type of stuff. So I'll show you inside of it and a little bit of information and why I like this exchange, especially if you're beginning, and still do use it to this day for different things. I don't keep a lot of cryptocurrency on here, but I do keep some just, to trade and play around with. We're going to jump in, but before we do, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. So anything you see here, always take with a grain of salt, do your own research. So why do I like it? Well, because you can secure, buy, and sell all the big cryptocurrency wallets right here: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, XRP. You can buy all the big cryptos. You can also sell and store hundreds of cryptos as well. And they have some tools for trading. So it's not like you can't jump in here and trade, although even though it might be so advanced for some people. Also, the big thing I love, zero trading fees, more rewards. They actually will let you take quizzes and stuff like that. And if you take those quizzes, they'll give you a little bit of crypto. And I don't know any other exchange that does that. So that's pretty nice. And you can do more with your crypto wallet. I have this on my phone as well, even though I have a cold wallet, a ledger. But I'd say if you have to get started, if you're like, I'm new to crypto, what is crypto? How do I get started? Coinbase is great. And it's even great if you're a novice or, you just want to. So you can start earning crypto for just learning about cryptocurrency. How many places do you get paid to learn? Imagine university had a course on crypto, but they paid you. That'd be insane. That'd be amazing. And you can also understand the basics. They have guides, they have tutorials, they have market updates. And when you're getting into cryptocurrency, it can be daunting. You'd be like, what is this? What is a wallet address? What's Bitcoin? What's all this type of stuff? It's been around for a minute, one of the biggest companies there. So I feel pretty safe with that. Now, go ahead and sign up. The only thing is you do need to do a KYC when you sign up. You can also see here, all the different things to do, but you have individual or business, you go ahead and sign up here. Like if I do an individual, it's not hard. You just email and all that type of stuff. If you are already a customer or business, registered business, then you can simply go ahead, come in here and sign in. And the nice thing is the security is really good. They have a mobile device thing here, so it makes sure that nobody hacks your stuff. So I just open up my phone, which you can see right here. After my phone is open, then I just go to my Coinbase mobile device. It will say, am I trying to sign in? See it right here. So to me, that's a nice way of doing two-factor authentication, keeping all your things safe. And now we can see inside right here. So I can see the various assets that I own. And it's really easy. You just go ahead and buy by clicking on something. You don't have to, do tons and tons of running around. You also have send, receive, withdraw cash. Home here, you can refer friends. You can even get your tax summary if you're in the United States or somewhere else. And you can see all the transactions that have happened here, what I've done. And you have the ability to stake stuff. So you can actually see my Solana stake that has some XRP, all my Ethereum is stake, Cardano stake. So people say, why do you keep some crypto here? I do stake some crypto on exchanges. You can also explore derivatives here, futures, and do stuff with taxes. I know taxes are a big thing with crypto. That's something people don't talk about. It's like, hey, make a bunch of crypto, and it's like, oh, I gotta do. Well, I have to figure out all this tax stuff. It's gonna take a while to do this. So it's tax time, and this just help keep you safe so you don't make a ton of money or anything like that. Then you can see profile, all that information, stuff like that. So I really like this. I think this is an extremely useful resource to make sure everything's good. And on top of that, you can invite family and friends, copy right here, and just share your link. Last but not least, we have learning rewards. So if I want to earn 33 Pro, I can do that. I want to earn 33 DMO, I can do that. I explore Coinbase One, I can earn Bitcoin. Dude, I can earn Bitcoin. I can earn Aleo Gaming. So I can earn 34 bucks simply by taking courses. So that's one thing I really like. So let me know what you think down below. Do you have another exchange that you like? Do you have something else that you like? Also, there's the leaderboards of the top gainers, what's going on, sellers, buyers, all that type of stuff. And you can see right here which ones are going up. So this is a nice way to do a little bit of research. What's losing, highest buyer, most buyers. As you can see, very easy, very user friendly, and something to get started with. Now, as you upgrade your crypto you can kind of, expand to different exchanges. I also use Binance and Kraken. But let me know what your preferred exchange is. And if you're looking for an exchange, what do you think of this one? If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.